Once upon a time, there was a rainbow that was sliding round everywhere. And the rainbow punched the treetop, punched the robot, punched the phone, punched the volleyball, had a enormous fight with the volleyball, punched the egg, punched the wood again, punched the cat again, punched the cat, punched the mice, punched the egg, and punched the rooster. Then, suddenly, the sky was dark and the rainbow got too giant. And then it got small again. But then it got giant again, giant. Then the thing changed into a home. Into outer space, back to home. Into outer space. Then it was giant. Then it zoomed back to normal. Then it zoomed back giant. Then it zoomed so small. Then it zoomed so giant. Then it zoomed so super duper small. Then it zoomed super duper giant. And then it zoomed super duper small. Then super duper giant. Then super duper small. And super duper giant. That was roaring everywhere. It fell, the egg attacked it. And all the stuff attacked it. Then the cat just went meowing everywhere. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow. Then the mice went squeaking everywhere. Squeak, 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 squeak. And then the rooster went roosting everywhere. Rooster, 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 cock-a-doodle-doo. And then the end.